Magical Time Club. So, today we are going to do Poetic Devices Part 2. I've already uploaded Part 1. If you haven't still watched it, subscribe to my channel or click on the link in the comment section. So, we are going to have more fun with these simple tools. But before having the fun, we have to know how to use it. So, first poetic device of today is simile. When we compare a thing as another thing, using like and as is known as a simile. For example, her voice is as sweet as a bird or a bird's song. He was as wise as an owl. Both acted like dogs at their house. The first sentence means she sings like birds are singing. He is as wise as an owl, and the two acted like dogs. They didn't behave properly at their house. Now I will have a suggestion. Listen to this song, All I Want to Be, for better understanding. It has hundreds of similes. I don't mean literally 100, but yes, hundreds. There are many similes. Link is in the comment section. Metaphor. When we compare a thing with other directly, which is without using like or as. He is a cheetah. This means he is not literally a cheetah, but he runs like a cheetah, or he has a quality of a cheetah. She is a monkey. This doesn't mean she literally is a monkey, or we are personifying the monkey as a she. This doesn't mean that. This means that she can climb, suppose the monkey bar, like a monkey. So she is a monkey. They were a pack of wolves. They acted like a pack of wolves, etc. Hyperbole. It's not hyperbole, it's hyperbole. When you say extra and is not true, an exaggeration that makes the sentence true. Now you must be confused in both the sentences. The first one is made by me, and the second I just took some help from my parents. So when you say extra and is not true means there are millions of cities in the world. Now million would be not true, there must be less or must be more, but rounding off it would be million or billion or crores or lakhs or whatever, or an exaggeration which makes the sentence true, which is not true but it makes the sentence true. Millions of rupees were stolen from the bank. Now, any amount of money would be stolen from the bank, but just to round off or just to take an idea how much is stolen, we use millions or anything else. After raining, hundreds of worms came out in the garden. Now, not all the worms will come out of the garden. If hundreds of worms even came out of the garden, this means that nobody would be able to step in the garden. So it's not true, but yes, it makes the sentence true. It has an idea. Corona has lasted for months. It's been 1 year since Corona is. So this is not a hyperbole basically, but I had no other options. Consonants. Now, in the Poetic Devices Part 1, I also told assonance, but this is different. This is consonants. Repetition of a consonant sound. Now look at this. A consonant sound is a must in two or more words. For example, on scrolls of silver snowy sentences, scroll silver snowy sentences is consonants. Some mammals are clammy. Mammals and clammy. M sound is being repeated. Dragging the lazy languid line along. L is repeated in lazy languid line along. Revision. Now this is the revision of almost all the poetic devices, but they are not literally all. Assonance and consonance is missing in it. Words that sound onomatopoeia, words that sound like a sound, for example, pow, boom, crash, thump, womp, etc. Alliteration, repetition of the same sound at the beginning of words. At the beginning, now alliteration, consonants and assonance are different. Don't get confused in it. I'll also upload a PPT which tells the difference. No, I'll not upload a PPT. I'll tell you now only. So, consonance is basically a repetition of the consonant sound in the middle of words, or it can be in the starting also. And assonance is the repetition of vowel words in the beginning or in the middle. And alliteration can be repetition of the same sound at the beginning of words, and it can be consonant also, vowels also. But it is a must beginning, and it can be consonant or assonant, consonant or vowels. Hyperbole, an exaggeration. Simile, a comparison using like or as. Metaphor, a strong comparison written as a statement without using like or as. Personification, giving things human qualities. Imagery, painting pictures with words. Now imagery has 3 stages. Watch my poetic devices part 1. You will get a fair idea, but I'll give you a rough idea. What auditory imagery is when you can visualize the speaking of a person. You can hear it basically. Color imagery is when you can imagine the colors, and visual imagery is when you can picturize the whole scene in your mind. Bye guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. I'm really less on subscribers, so hope you can help with me. Share it with your friends and families so they get a fair idea of what are poetic or literary devices. And meet you in the next video. Bye bye.